Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. We are discussing about the fractions. We have discussed the fractions, that the like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fraction, equivalent fraction, how to add fraction, like this. Today we will discuss how to compare the fractions. If any two fractions are given, we have to find which one is smaller, which one is greater, or whether they are equal to each other. So for that, the easiest method is to cross multiply. We can cross multiply that 7 times are 35. We can write roughly. Here 8 4 are 32. This we are not going to write in a fair manner. We are going to write that roughly. Now 8 4 are 32, 7 5 are 35. Which one is larger, 35 or 32? 35 is larger. So what we will do? We will put the sign like that. So 5 upon 8 is more than 4 upon 7. So this is the easiest way how to compare the fraction. Two given fractions. After that, now I have written the three series. So we have to arrange these three series in the ascending order or descending order. We will arrange in the ascending order. So the three different series I have written, they are different in many ways. First, in the first one, you can see in this series the numerator is same. In this series the denominator is same. In this series neither denominator or numerator, nothing is same, both are different. So we are having three different series here. First one, in case if the numerator is same, if the numerator is same, then the fraction having the larger denominator will be the smaller one. जिसका denominator सबसे बड़ा होगा वो सबसे छोटी होगी. सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है हमारा? 9. So this will be the smallest one. 1 upon 9 is the smallest. 9 से छोटा कौन सा है? 7. Now this will come after that. सबसे छोटा 1 upon 2. 2 is the smallest denominator, but the fraction 1 upon 2 will be the largest one. This is the case when we are having numerators same and the denominators are different. Now the second case, when the denominators are same and the numerators are different. Here the denominator is same. The fraction having the smaller numerator will be the smallest one. Smallest क्या है हमारा? 1 पहले आएगा. उसके बाद 2, last 5. This will be the sequence in these type of series. Keep in mind, in the first one the numerator was same. If the numerator is same, the fraction having the largest denominator will be the smallest one. Here, if the denominator is same, then the fraction having the smallest numerator will be the smallest one. Here, the all things are different. So what we will do? First of all, we will find the LCM of 8, 4 and 16. You can find easily the LCM. So the LCM will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So what we have to do? We have to make the denominator 60. हमें डिनोमिनेटर को बनाना है। सिक्सटीन बनाने के लिए here we are having already 16, here we are not having, so either we have to multiply or we have to divide. So यहाँ पे नंबर छोटा है, हमें बड़ा बनाना है, 8 से 16 बनाना है, then we have to multiply only. यहाँ पे भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, यहाँ पे भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 8 से 16 बनाना है, तो 8 का टेबल हमें पता है, 8 × 8 8 2 जा 16, तो हमें क्या करना है, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। एज आई टोल्ड यू प्रीवियसली, जिस नंबर से हम डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेम नंबर से हमें न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे 2 से किया तो यहाँ पे भी 2 से किया, टू मेक द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन। इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन हम बनाएंगे। यहाँ पे हमें 4 से 16 बनाना है, मींस 4 का टेबल हम देखेंगे तो 4 4 जा 16, 4 से हमने डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई किया, 4 से हमें न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। नाउ वी गॉट द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस ऑफ 3/8 एंड 1/4। सो 3 2 जा 6, 8 2 जा 16, 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16 and 9/16. Now we have reduced these fractions to the like fraction. Now the denominator is same. So if the denominator is same, now it becomes a case like that. Now the fraction having the smaller numerator will be the smallest one. 4/16 is the smallest. After that 6/16. After that 9/16. But we are not supposed to leave it here. We are supposed to replace them by the original fraction. 4/16 means 1/4. 6/16 means this, 3/8, and the largest one is 9/16. This is the way how we can compare the fractions. Whether if two fractions are given, then we can compare them by cross multiplying. And if we are supposed to arrange in the ascending order and descending order, we are supposed to follow this method. So I think that you will practice that again and again. Tomorrow I will provide you the worksheet related to this comparing the fractions. Afterwards we will assess whether you understood the topic or not. At last again I want to tell you the same thing, that if you have not subscribed, then you are supposed to subscribe, and if you have subscribed, then you are supposed to convey the message to your colleagues, and they should also subscribe the channel. And at the same time they are supposed to press the bell icon so that they can get the latest notification for the instant uploads. Thank you very much.